There's a cold wind blowing right across my face as I'm heading down the road to no particular place. There's a woman up ahead with a baby in her arms as a man is talking to her using all his charms, using all his charms. There's a video on the wall with a woman and perfume. There's a sign up ahead saying we got no room. Life isn't much different from day to day. Life has a way of leading us astray. So take time to cherish all the blessings that you know, and maybe live like it's the last you'll know. There's a cold wind blowing right across my back as I turn around and heading back to a place I call home, where I hang my hat to the place that I love and my family's at.